In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message your Uber driver from the active trip tracking screen. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to the Uber website. Once the page loads, sign into your account so you can access your current trip details. Make sure you're logged into the correct account connected to the ride that's already in progress, because the messaging option only appears when there is an active trip available on your screen. After you're signed in, look for the active trip tracking panel. This is the area that shows the live status of your ride, including the driver's location and trip progress. Take a moment to confirm that the trip information on the screen matches the ride you want to manage. This helps avoid sending a message to the wrong trip or getting confused if you've recently booked more than one ride. Next, open the active driver tracking information drawer. Depending on how your screen is arranged, this may appear as a panel, expandable section, or drawer block connected to the trip details. The goal here is to reveal the options related to the driver and the current ride. If the section is collapsed, click it once to expand it and display more controls. Once that panel is open, find the option labeled Message or Chat Driver. This is typically shown as a text link or icon inside the trip interface. Click that option to open the message window. This is where you can communicate directly with the driver without needing to place a phone call, which can be especially useful if you want to share a quick update in writing. When the text input box appears, click inside it and type your message clearly. Keep your notes short, polite, and easy to understand. For example, you might mention pickup details, where you are waiting, or any helpful context related to the ride. Clear wording can make the message easier for the driver to read quickly while they are handling the trip. After reviewing your message, click Send to transmit it directly through the Uber system to the driver's active terminal. Once it's sent, the driver will be able to view your note within their trip interface. That's all it takes to message your Uber driver from the active trip tracking screen in Chrome. If you're following these steps while your ride is live, the process should only take a few seconds and can make coordination much easier.